Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Geeky Aarti. Today we are going to discuss how to import data from Excel sheet into MySQL Workbench. So step 1, you have to create a table in MySQL. For example, I have this Excel sheet and here I have a table mark sheet which has some data and around 10 columns like ID, name, mass, English. You remember, right? If you have seen my previous videos. So we are going to import this data into MySQL Workbench, means to here. So first of all, we need to create a table having same column names like we have in Marksheet table in Excel sheet. So we have schema database 1 here. We will click this link. It will give us options to create new table. So first we need to write the table name, mark sheet, and then we need to write here column names. First name is ID. We can make ID as primary key and also not null. Next column is name. The data type of name is varchar. Same way we need to fill more column names. Next column name is mass, English, Hindi, SST. Data type of mass is INT. So I will change the data type here. So here I have created all the column names, all the 10 column names. Mostly column names have data type of integer. Name had data type of text or varchar. Grade also have text and varchar data type. Percentage has double. Double means it can take decimal values. Like here percentage is given in decimal values. So now click on apply and you will see the query of this table. You can copy and keep this query also for the future reference. Click on apply again and it will create a table in database 1. Let's check here. You can see marksheet table is created here. Click here to see the marksheet table. So we have this table but we don't have data. So for the data you need to go to your Excel sheet and here you need to copy this whole data. After copying this data, you need to go to MySQL Workbench and then on the marksheet table, right click and select rows. Limit is 1000, so it will only copy 1000 rows. If you have very large data, it might not copy more than 1000 rows. Now go to your table and here on the rows, right click again and then paste rows. It will paste all the data here. This way you can also copy paste large data. Just keep one thing in your mind that you should avoid empty cells. If there is any empty cell, it will create an error and will not paste the data saying number of columns don't match with the number of values. So basically you need to fill empty cells with null or dash. That's it. I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and comment in the box. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.